Guys, I just found some cards at Walmart, so let's rip this thing open. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is my 100th upload on this channel, so it's a pretty special video and a pretty special opening. So it's been a pretty long time since I've done an opening on the channel, but as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I actually went to Walmart today and found some cards. I only picked up one of these fat packs of Update because, yeah, that's really kind of all I got. So, yeah, really excited to rip this open. Seen this ripped many times before. So, yeah, let's just get right into it. So, the top rookies we are looking for in this pack are Trent Grisham and Randy Arozarena. So here we go. Once again, super excited. There are the odds. Gold 1 in 7, and there's your no purchase necessary stuff. So here we go. Let's get right into this pack. It's been so long since I've ripped anything. So here we go. First time seeing Update. So we start off with the Wrong Ray, Yoshi Satsugo. First card. Okay. What is that? Hold up. What is that? Okay. Kevin Pillar. We have Joe Jimenez. See, Update has these weird little, like, portrait photos, and they aren't even, like, short prints or anything. And I also forgot to mention that you do get one royal blue base card parallel in every one of these Walmart packs. So we have Trace Thompson, Lane Thomas, Stanton, and an Aristides Aquino rookie debut. That is a nice one. So we'll go ahead and set that right there. Terrence Agore, Speedster. Shout out to Ethan's Elvis Covers and More. David Ortiz. Have an Andrew McCutchen. Albert Pujols. Grayson Griner. And here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this stuff over here and go through the rest of the base. So Zach Greinke. Here's a Cotton for the Cubs. I'll set that up here. Bartolo Colon. What a card. I'm going to have to put that up there. Pete Alonso. Craig Kimbrell. Whoops. Awesome card for the Cubs. And, oh, nice. I forgot about this dude. He just won Rookie of the Year. Take a look at that card. That is beautiful. Great looking card. Devin Williams, Rookie of the Year. I'm going to have to sleeve that up real quick because that is a very nice card. So, Devin Williams, Rookie. There we go. Last couple cards here. Edwin Encarnacion, Cy Sneed, and Jose Peraza. So here we go with our inserts. I guess I'll go through the Turkey Reds here first. We have Wade Boggs and Mike Mussina. So we'll just kind of pick these up as we go. We have a nice blue Miguel Cabrera. Not numbered, but hold up. What is this? We got it! Holy crap! Oh! No way! No! Oh my gosh! Oh! No! Boba. Oh my goodness! Boba photo. No! Let's go! Oh my goodness! Boba, a rookie SP. No way! What a pack! What a pack! Holy, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That is huge! That is huge! I was looking at this card on eBay! And then I come here in this pack opening and I pull it. Oh my goodness! I have to break out a top loader for that. Oh my gosh! Adding to the Boba PC. Oh, no way! Oh my gosh! I cannot believe we just pulled that. Oh my goodness! There is no way! There is absolutely no freaking way! We just pulled a Boba. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Oh, there is no way! Boba rookie SP variation. Beautiful. Hold on, let me get to the focus. Come on. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we just pulled that. Here we go. Check out the back. What is the number? What is the number? 30. Wait, what is it? 31. Let's check it out. 88. Let's go. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh. Boba rookie variation card. No. This is not supposed to happen. This was not supposed to happen. Oh, okay, I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this one up. No way, Boba rookie fit, let's go! Oh my goodness! What the heck? What a pack! This might be the best fat pack I've ever opened. Oh my goodness. Look at those cards. Oh my gosh. What the heck? No way! Boom! Boom! Oh, and we still have 2 more cards. We got a Randy Johnson numbers of the game. And our blue parallel is going to be Pete Alonso. Very nice card. But the hit of the whole break, Boba rookie SP variation, photo variation. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have a huge Boba PC too. No. This was not supposed to happen. What? What? Oh my gosh. And then look at all these Boba cards I have. I have a base. I have a heritage. I have a opening day, an 85, and then a Wheel of Fortune, Tears of the Diamond. All those Boba cards. And I get to add this one to the freaking PC. Boom. Let's go. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness. Wow. Everything looks pretty clean. Possibly a PSA 10. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. There is no way. I'm sorry, Bartolo. But the Bo Show is here. Oh my gosh. What a card. What a pack. What a break. Oh my goodness. This card right here was literally turned upside down. Look at this. This card was turned upside down like this. When I saw it, I looked at it, I turned it around, and I see this. What a card. What a break. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. We didn't pull a Rosarena or Trent Grisham, but I will take the Bo Bichette rookie variation over them every single day of the week. I cannot believe I just pulled that. I was just looking at that card on eBay. And I was going to ask that for Christmas, but take it off the list, man. Take it off the list. Oh my gosh. What a break. I am in absolute shock. The biggest pull on the channel, 2020 Topps update. I love this product from the start. A lot of people don't like it, but now I'm obviously going to say that because I pulled a Bo Bichette SP, but oh my goodness. What a card. Oh my gosh. What a way to have a 100th video. Bo Bichette rookie SP variation. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Bo freaking Bichette rookie SP variation. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. What is happening? What is happening? Bo Bichette. Let's take a real quick look at it. I don't know why it's not focusing for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful card. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I'm going to take it out. Let's take a quick look. Okay, let's see. There we go. Look at that beautiful card. I'm trying to see here. It's got the ever so slightest corner ding on the bottom right. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it's so slight. We've got a chance at a PSA 10 Bo Bichette rookie variation. This is the greatest pull of my life. I want to thank my dad, my mom, my family. Oh my gosh. What a break. This, man. I'm just kind of speechless right now. So just give me a second to recoup myself. Oh man. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What the heck is happening? Oh boy. Oh my goodness, man. Let's go ahead and do a quick little recap here. Devin Williams, Rookie of the Year. Rookie card. Very nice. Aristides Aquino, rookie debut. We have a PC card right here of I don't even know how to pronounce this guy's name, and he's on the Cubs, so it's kind of embarrassing, but you know. We have two blues here. We have a 2000s Decades Best. I always get these blues of the Decades Best, and they're always not numbered. And then a Pete Alonso Home Run Derby Royal Blue parallel. Very, very nice. And then, to top it all off, the highlight of the break, Bo Bichette. Oh my. I don't even know what it's called. I'm just so excited. Oh man, okay. Bo Bichette. A rookie photo variation. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I just dropped it. Okay. Bo Bichette. Oh my goodness. Bo Bichette. Rookie photo variation. His rookie debut would have been nice out of Topps Update, but no. Bo Bichette, photo variation, rookie card. Holy crap. Biggest pull of the channel. If I sent it to PSA right now, we're looking at a 9 or a 10 here, folks. What a beautiful card. As I was saying, I was looking at this card on eBay. I was going to ask for it for Christmas because I do love Bo Bichette. Along with one of my PC guys from 2020, along with Nico Horner. But 2020 Topps Update hooks me up with a Bo Bichette rookie photo variation. I'm lost of words. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Peace.